Dear ones, in the previous class, we have discussed about salt and water of crystallization. In today's session, let us see 3 more salts. With this chapter comes to end. Okay, the next salt is baking soda. In the previous class, we have learned about 2. One is sodium chloride and another one is bleaching powder. Now let us see what is baking soda. So it is none other than that white color powder which is used in kitchen to get crispy vada or pakoda. These are the things. Okay, what about its chemical name? Sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate. Formula is NaHCO3. Okay. Now how it is prepared, let us see. Same thing. Along with brim solution, the substance which is used is carbon dioxide plus ammonia. Okay, NaCl plus water is brim solution, then carbon dioxide and ammonia. These two are in gaseous form, okay, and this is aqueous and this is liquid. What happened? 2 products are formed. One we need, that is NaHCO3, and another one is ammonium chloride. Okay, this is the equation of its preparation. Sodium chloride water is in solution. Carbon dioxide and ammonia gases are passed into that. It gives 2 products. One is sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is baking soda, and ammonium chloride. Let us see whether it is balanced or not. Na1, hydrogen, here 2 and plus 3, 5, and here 1 plus 4, 5, oxygen 3, and carbon 1. It is a balanced equation. Now, let us see its properties. It is a basic salt, okay? It is a basic salt. And another one, first property, when this baking soda is heated, it gives 3 products. One is Na2CO3 and water plus carbon dioxide. Now look at this equation. It is an example for decomposition reaction, is it? A single reactant decomposed to give more products. Am I right? Okay, balancing the equation, you know it is a salt. And here it is also a salt. And this is a gaseous form and it is a liquid form. When it is heated, these 2 will escape. The remaining thing what we get is Na2CO3. And what is Na2CO3? It is sodium carbonate. Is it? Na2CO3 is sodium carbonate. Okay, balancing, since Na2 this side 2, I think it is balanced. Hydrogen 2, carbon 2, oxygen 6. Now it is a balanced equation. Okay, what about its uses? It is a basic salt. So, it is used to make antacid tablets. One. Second one, it is used in soda acid fire extinguisher. It is a good fire extinguisher. You could have seen in all the building, we have kept fire extinguisher, that cylinder. Inside it is filled with the sodium bicarbonate. Actually, this powder is kept. Even in our school, you could have noticed it in the veranda, that inside the red color cylinder, this powder is used. When it is applied pressure, that while using it, we are applying pressure, that means heat is generated. That time carbon dioxide is coming out. This gas put off the fire. Because carbon dioxide will put off the fire, its nature. Like hydrogen will make the pops off. Oxygen means supports burning. Nitrogen will not support burning. Like that, it will put off the fire. So that's why it is used in fire extinguisher. It's another use. Third use is baking soda with NaHCO3 with mild acid. One acid. Acid means there will be H+. For example, tartaric acid is mixed with baking soda. Now this powder is called baking powder. You could have seen we have two powder we are using in the kitchen. One is baking soda, another is baking powder. Baking powder is used to make cake. Have you seen it? So it forms while making cake. It gives out carbon dioxide and some amount of water. Escapes as steam form. The remaining is sodium salt is formed. Sodium salt is formed. Okay. You could have seen on the top of the cake or appam or whatever we are making, you have seen the hole. It shows that carbon dioxide gas is getting escaped through that way. The soft and spongy nature of cake or appam is because of this carbon dioxide gas. Okay. If acid is not added with baking soda, the cake or appam, it will not be soft and spongy. Okay, these are the preparation, properties and uses of baking soda. The next one we are going to see is washing soda. Washing soda. It is none other than Na2CO3. What is Na2CO3? Sodium carbonate along with 10 molecules of water. Okay, we have already studied what is water of crystallization. A fixed number of water molecule in one formula unit of the salt. Okay, how it is prepared? You could have seen here when baking soda is heated, sodium carbonate is formed, is it? So that sodium carbonate is recrystallized. Recrystallization means 10 molecules of water is added to it. It forms Na2CO3 with 10 molecules of water. 10 molecules of water. So this is called 10 molecules of water. It is called washing soda. Okay, what about its uses? It is used by us to clean our clothes and it is used to make glass and as well as borax. In chemical factories it is used, and another one, it is used to soften hard water. What is hard and soft water? Let us see in the next class. And it is also a mild basic substances, basic salt. Okay, these are the preparation and uses of washing soda. Formula is Na2CO3 and 10 molecules of water. Okay, dear ones, the last one we are going to see is plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris. What? Have you heard the word? This is one of the city name, plaster of Paris. Why it has got this name? Because this salt is mainly formed and obtained and discovered from the place Paris, white color substance. You could have heard and seen plaster of Paris. Mainly it's used to make the toy, to make flower vase, as well as calcium sulfate, hemihydrate, calcium sulfate, hemihydrate. It is. What about its formula? Calcium sulfate and half molecules of water. This is its formula. CaSO4 and half molecules of water. How it is prepared? Let us see. It is prepared from gypsum. Gypsum formula is CaSO4 and 2 molecules of water, and it is heated at 373 Kelvin. It gives out 1.5 water molecules and form plaster of Paris and gives out 1.5 water molecule. 2 water molecule gypsum has, so it gives out 1.5 water molecules and remaining one is plaster of Paris. Once again, we can get gypsum from plaster of Paris. See, actually, to make any toy or any other decorative articles, what you do? You are taking plaster of Paris and you are adding water. Am I right? After adding water, after some time, it will change into hard substances. Once again, after adding water to plaster of Paris, we can get gypsum. Let us see the uses of plaster of Paris. It is used by the doctor as plaster for supporting fractured bones in the right position. That's the first point. Second one, it is used for making toys and materials for decoration and for making the surface smooth. Have you seen while flooring our house floor with the help of tiles? You could have noticed mason uses this powder to make smooth in between two tiles. Okay, these are the uses of plaster of Paris. And its formula, you know very well, CaSO4 and half molecules of water. Okay, what is this half molecules of water? What it indicates? That means 2 formula unit of plaster of Paris or 2 formula unit of calcium sulfate share 1 molecule of water. Okay, hope you understood what is CaSO4 and half molecule of water. Dear students, in this lesson, you have learned acids, bases and salts and its properties and some of its examples.